And we are live. Great. It's a pleasure to have you here. And the topic for today's video is 7 things you need to know before you go and trade a live account. 7 things you need to know before trading a live account. Very, very key, very important, right? Now, you're going to learn in this video how to approach the Forex business the proper way. And that's talking about the live account trading. Right, live account trading. A quick disclaimer for you: the information that's going to be shared with you, of course, is not going to guarantee success whatsoever. It is how you make use of the information, it's how you implement the information you get, it's how you apply the information, it's how you practice. Very key. And of course, this business carries a high level of risk, which might not be suitable for everybody. To ensure that you are good to go and then you practice proper risk management in order to minimize your losses. So I want to welcome you all to the CSAFOREX channel. It's a pleasure to have you here. My name is Tolu. And by the way, these 7 things that we're going to talk about now, they happen to be the biggest problems that traders are facing today, right? And you're going to see exactly what we are talking about. The first one is this: there is a big difference between trading a demo account and trading a live account. There's something I normally hear a lot with respect to new traders, especially. They say, oh, why is it that the demo account is working for me, but the live account is not working? Meaning that the demo account they're making money, and then the live account they're not making money. It is very simple. It's simply because real money equals to real emotion. So, and as you are trading the live account, the real account, your emotions are intact. Some of you might have placed a trade on a demo account. You might not even use stop loss. And then you leave that trade for days only to come back and then you see, oh, it's in profit. And then you smile and then you close it in profit. But when it comes to real account trading, live account trading, can you do that? No, because your emotions are attached to that money. Of course, it's your hard-earned money. So that means that there is a big difference between the demo trading and the live trading, and that is your emotions. Very key. Number 2, you are not going to find trades every day. When the market is open on a 24 hours basis, it doesn't still mean that opportunities will come your way. And that's why we always say you have to wait for the market to present opportunities to you. It's like taking candy from a baby. What does that mean? That simply means that the market comes to you, it presents opportunities, good opportunities, by the way, and then you simply smile and then you take them. Problem with traders today is that they're rushing in. They just want to place trades every day because they have a target to meet. They have a goal that they have set for themselves. And before you know it, they start to have unnecessary losses. And that is not the way. Number 3, trading is 10% strategy and 90% psychology, your mindset, your mentality, everything that has to do with this, and that has to do with your emotions. The truth now is that a lot of traders, they're doing this particular thing, and I was also guilty of this. They're always hopping from one strategy to another. I'm sure you would agree with me on this. You start with this strategy, it's working, you're happy. The next thing, it starts failing. You cross over to another strategy, that is, you hop over to another strategy. It starts working, you're happy. It starts failing, you're sad. You cross over to the 3rd one, to the 4th one, to the 5th one, and before you know it, you are more or less just chasing your tail. And that's why you need to stick to one strategy. Very key, very important. Know that strategy, when it works and when it doesn't work, and then you are good to go. Account size does not matter. I repeat, the account size does not matter. Now, let me explain this, because you might be thinking, what do you mean the account size does not matter? So you mean if I have a $100 account and a $1 million account, the $1 million is not bigger, it's not, more tangible than the $100. This is what I actually mean. If you cannot manage small money, then you cannot manage big money. And I want to believe you agree with this statement. If you cannot manage small money, then there is no way you can manage big money. The truth now with small account traders now is that when they're trading like a $100 account, they want to make $1,000 overnight or maybe at the end of the month. So what do? they're taking big risk. They could be taking risk of 50% of their account balance, or maybe even 100% of their account balance. They're risking way too much. Let me ask you this question. If your account balance was $1 million, would you be able to risk 50% in a day or 50% in a trade? I'm sure the answer is no. So the account size does not matter. You must treat the small account like a big account, and trust me, you are good to go. Gradually, you will be able to manage a bigger account. Less is more. Number 5, less is more. These are the things that you need to know when it comes to trading a live account in order to be profitable, in order to be successful. Less is more. Some traders want to place trades every day. In a month, you could place up to 100 trades, maybe even less than a month. In a week, I know some traders that used to place like 50 to 100 trades in a week. Yes, you heard that, in a week. But did you know that with just 3 trades, with only 3 trades, 3 quality trades, right, it beats trading 100 useless trades at the end of the day? That's going to help you to be disciplined. It's going to help you to be patient. It's going to help to work on your psychology, because you know you don't need way too many, and then you go for the best of the best of the best of the best, and that is very important. Number 6, you must have a trading plan. Everybody must have a trading plan. You have a plan for your trading. It is going to help you tremendously. And a lot of people, you listening to me, you do not have a plan. And I know for a fact that you do not have a plan. And the truth now is that if you fail to plan, then you are planning to fail. Simple. Then you plan to fail. There's no two ways about it. And that's why you keep on asking yourself that, why is it working for me? Why is it working for me? It's the same cycle over and over. Number 7, and the final one, is that you must keep records. You must have a journal. And that simply means that as you're keeping record, it is going to help you at the end of the day to understand yourself better as a trader. Because when you keep records for maybe like 3 months or 6 months or 1 year, you start to know the days of the week that you are supposed to trade, and then the days of the week that you are not supposed to trade. You would also know the time of the day. You know the time of the day that you're supposed to trade, and the time of the day that you are not supposed to trade. Right? So these things would help you, and you will grow, you will get better on a regular basis. Now, the main solution to all of these problems that we have mentioned, because these are the problems that a lot of people are facing today when it comes to the live accounts trading, not the demo. We already established on number 1 that there's a big difference between the demo and the live. The major solution, the main solution, is accountability. You need to be accountable. You need to always check back, find out, were you able to do this? What is your result? Where are you? In order to know where you are going to, you need to be accountable at each point in time. And then you need a mentor. A mentor is someone that will guide you, that will show you the ropes, that would help you based on accountability. So without a doubt, everybody needs a mentor, whether you like it or not. Now, with that said, I'm rounding up now. With that said, you have any other question or you need a mentor, reach out for more information on how we can have a one-on-one mentorship session. And trust me, it is going to blow your mind. I want to thank you all for watching. It has indeed been a great one. It has been an awesome time sharing this many information with you, the 7 things you need to know before you jump into a live account, right? Don't forget, if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and of course, comment. You can as well share the video as well, right? Thank you guys. It has indeed been a pleasure. If you are interested in free training, the link is going to be in the description below. If you want to know more on how you can improve your trading, the secrets to the profitable trading course, trust me, there is a massive discount going on now, going into the second half of the year 2022. Today is the 30th of June, the last day of the second quarter, the last day of the first half of the year 2022. So you want to improve on your trading, there's a massive discount for the secrets to the profitable trading course. The link will be in the description below. Help yourself out. Any other thing you need, don't forget, book a call and then we'll see what we can do for you. Thank you guys. It has indeed been a pleasure. Goodbye and God bless. Cheers.